What is that? What is this?
This.
What is that? What is that? Wait. I'm gonna stop you right now. So I'm gonna hurt you.
If I was in Italy and I had this, I would be like,
Oh, you'll be in jail right now.
cheesy, rich, savory. I love this one. But what will my friend Vincenzo think?
Hello. Hi, Marion.
It's Vincenzo! Vincenzo,
Yeah.
I have a wonderful surprise for you.
Yeah, I can't wait. What are you making for me?
I'm gonna make you one pot, no bake lasagna.
Well, I don't like one pot first. It doesn't exist in my vocabulary, okay? You do not make a lasagna in one pot for me, okay? Do you want me to go home now?
I feel like I'm gonna get in trouble. So the first thing I'm gonna do for my lasagna is use some shiitake mushrooms. First of all, we want to rehydrate the mushrooms. So pour some hot water over your dried shiitake mushrooms, and then I'm going to add some extra flavor here by crumbling in some stock cubes. This is basically like my version of natural MSG, if you like.
Sorry. Why are we using this mushroom? Tell me.
So,
Why no porcini mushrooms or why no normal mushrooms?
so the shiitake mushroom is going to give us the extra Asian umami. Italian
So
food.
you think that Japan created the lasagna, okay?
Now once the mushrooms have had time to soak, then they'll get nice and soft and squishy, just like this. So squeeze them out and make sure you keep that soaking liquid for later. And then you want to just slice off the stems. They will never get really soft.
I hope you're using a Japanese knife.
I am actually.
Okay.
I've got some olive oil.
So you're cooking the mushrooms.
Actually, I'm going to do the pancetta.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm not talking. Are you making carbonara?
Just allow the pancetta to sizzle and render out all of its porky flavorness into that oil. So now I'm going to add in some onion
Some people have 3 onions in there. How much onions do you use?
and just stir fry that until we get nice, soft, translucent onions. I'm going to sprinkle in a little bit of salt because that always draws out the moisture and makes the onions more sweet.
They look nice.
It looks nice already.
It smells nice. You know, I like the oil that comes up from the pancetta, you know,
I
from
like
the
that.
fat. Give me pancetta every day. Oh,
Starting off okay.
yes.
Yes. Garlic is still fine, right? This is all good. Except now we put the shiitake.
Okay, let's go in.
It's
I mean, what's wrong with a normal lasagna? Why you don't like the normal lasagna?
You know, I do love a really good Italian lasagna.
Yeah, what's wrong with that?
I also love this no-bake version.
I would
Yeah.
be.
Everything make friends in here before I add more flavor. And then now we're going in with some aromatics. So I've got bay leaves, star anise.
What is that? What do you say?
Star anise.
Oh,
Here we go.
That belongs to the lasagna.
It does belong to the
Since
lasagna.
when?
It belongs to my lasagna.
You know, this doesn't even belong to a lasagna. Lasagna doesn't need anything. The sauce doesn't need any herb.
Because star anise brings out the beefier flavor in
You
any
got
kind
beef
of
stock
sauce.
in there.
I know, it's an extra. I'm extra everything.
What is that?
This is our beef.
Beef.
Yes,
Okay.
beef. Just break that up with your spatula and just keep tossing that around until it's almost all cooked through. I'm going to put more things in here now.
Tomato paste,
Yeah,
okay.
this is nice.
That's nice. What is that?
This is gochujang.
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 Where is it from?
It's Korean.
What do you use this for?
You will use this for my lasagna. You will use this for my lasagna.
I'm gonna stop you right now. No, this is
Yeah.
gonna stay here.
No,
Thank
no,
you so
no.
much.
Have you had gochujang
No,
before?
no.
Maybe we should jujitsu about it and then we'll put it in.
We can do jiu-jitsu. I'm gonna stop you with the jiu-jitsu. I actually do jiu-jitsu. You
Do
want
you
me
do
to? Yes,
jiu-jitsu?
yeah, I do. You want
Can
me to
you
stop?
show me a move?
It hurts. And what you're doing now, you're hurting me, so I'm gonna hurt you. No, please, you can't use it.
Yeah.
No, I said you can't use it.
Yeah, look, maybe
We're
I
not
think
Korean.
just like this.
Oh,
Next, I'm going to add some oregano.
what are you gonna put in the sauce?
Oh, what am I going to put in the sauce? Yeah, I'm going to put some soy sauce.
Soy sauce?
Yes.
Wait,
There we go.
1 second.
You
No, I think
like
we're
it.
gonna stop
No,
this. Let's
don't-
stop the
don't
video
burn
now.
yourself.
Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next Marion's video.
Hey, thanks for watching my video. I hope you...
Will you tell me what is this gonna do?
And this is going to give us the extra umami. The extra umami.
Have you heard about red
Just-
wine?
Ah, now this is nice.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it in there now,
Yeah,
okay?
you can put it in. Collaborative cooking.
You sure?
Off you
Add
go.
my touch.
Yeah.
Put something in there.
And now I add my
see?
touch here.
Oh.
And now I add my touch here.
I've been doing my YouTube channel for like 8 years to teach you how to make Italian food. Nice way, easy. You're making this dish very complicated. Come on, Mary, you're such a nice lady.
Tomato passata.
Father, Italian ingredients.
We got Italian tomatoes.
Okay.
So I need a little bit more liquid here because of course I'm cooking the lasagna sheets in the sauce. So I'm going to put my mushroom soaking liquid in here. I just want to let this simmer for a little bit, break down some of those tomatoes, just a few minutes.
And what is this?
Okay, we've got parmesan now.
Parmesan. You
This
put it
is
now?
I'm going to put it now, yeah.
Okay. It's not going to melt now?
It's going to melt in there.
Okay.
Yeah.
What I like, we've done it, this is beautiful. And it's so nice because you're going to make this nice sauce, very nice and thick. So you need to create layers.
The next thing we need to add is the lasagna sheets. Just break them up into small-ish pieces so that you can really push them underneath the sauce. You want to make sure that each lasagna sheet is beautifully coated in that sauce. Just
This
like
mistake before, let me tell you. My recommendation, use fresh.
Oh, yes.
You can buy cheap ones, you can buy fresh ones, cost the same. Why not?
No, this is great. This is really good.
Oh, Mary, you're changing my life today, Marion.
And then once you've got everything in there, give it a bit of a stir, kind of just smooth that sauce over the top. And now we need to let the lasagna cook. So put the lid on and let it gently simmer away for about 8 minutes. Ready for the big reveal. So now my lasagna sheets will be perfectly cooked. We need to add the cheese layer. So I'm going in with my ricotta, lovely generous scoops of ricotta.
What is this? Are you trying to make a pizza lasagna here?
No, I'm making lasagna. The cheese it's better when it's on top.
The cheese?
Yeah.
You're trying to change all the rules here.
I am, Vincenzo. I'm very naughty. Welcome. Here is your one-pot lasagna.
It looks like a deep
There you
dish
go.
pizza.
Some basil, a little drizzle of olive oil, some final touch. A little bit more cheese.
To all my friends from Bologna, guys, this is how you kill a lasagna. Right now.
Now you get to try the genius of the one-pan lasagna.
So proud, you're so
I
proud.
am so proud.
When you have the lasagna, lots of people like to cut the lasagna straight away out of the oven. And then what happens is you put it in the plate and it goes like flat.
Yes.
You know, we wait a little bit.
We did wait a little bit.
Well done.
Ricotta cheese on the top.
Ooh.
I'm assuming that you're going to want to eat so much of this
Oh
lasagna.
yeah, I can't wait.
A little
Yes.
bit more of this. Vincenzo.
Thank you so much.
Here you go.
Thank you so
I am
much.
actually so happy to have Vincenzo
thank
in
you.
the kitchen. We've been creator friends for so long, but never in person. So
It
this
is
is
nice
actually
for
really
us. What is the miso paste gonna do to your carbonara? How can you improve a carbonara?
That's the nice part.
Not bad.
He's so nice, Vincenzo.
Have to be. Have to go back home. The ricotta and cheese, it's kind of taking over when you first put it in your mouth. I get this weird non-Italian flavor here in my throat. It's choking me now. Mary, what can I say? Honestly, I don't know what to say. I've been watching all your videos. I've always been scared by watching until the end. But today, I have to say, what I'm pleased about is the ending part.
Good.
I enjoyed this. I enjoyed these flavors. And well done for creating this fun, quick lasagna.
Thank you.
You're really good, Marion. You're really good.
Thank you.
You deserve a little bit.
Yeah.